Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to be showing you the manual release for the fuel filler cap. Now the fuel filler is normally opened by pressing this button in the driver's footwell, and it operates an electronic solenoid that pops open the fuel filler cap. Now that's great until you've got a flat battery or the solenoid becomes faulty, and then you obviously have to seek another way to open it and you don't want to be stranded. But luckily the only tool to do this is going to be a medium size flat screwdriver, and it's relatively easy to do. We're going to open up the boot lid, and if you don't know how to manually open up the boot lid, I've also made a video on that as well. And then we go inside the boot. Just behind the fuel filler cap we've got this little door here. Stick our screwdriver in and then pop that open like that, and now you can actually see the back of the solenoid. Now over the left hand side is a black lever, and we're going to pull that lever away from the solenoid. So it's kind of hard to show you on camera, but we're just going to push that lever there to the left. You'll see that's already opened up the fuel filler cap. And just to show you me doing that with my hand, putting the hand inside, finding the back of the solenoid and just popping it open. So there we go, that's how to manually release the fuel filler cap on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.